Hello everybody, how are you? I'm just trying today to install Windows Server 2012 R2 to Dell PowerEdge T110 II. So I'm going to start the server. Sorry for this mess. Yeah, and sure, I am putting Windows Server DVD, but first I have to prepare the RAID. I must click on Ctrl R, it doesn't matter what is the BIOS revision. You can enter to F2 to the setup screen to verify which settings for SATA hard disk drive by clicking F2. We are going to SATA settings here and click enter. So we just make sure to make this selection as RAID, and we don't do anything. Then we can exit to startup. We can click on Ctrl S to initialize the hard disk drive. Let's say here we are trying to from 0. So let's enter to remove RAID. I want to show you how to create RAID from beginning. We don't need to initialize because we are, see here, I have 2 hard drive, each of 1 terabyte. So you can just create a virtual disk, because initialization physical disk we can see them up there. So just create virtual disk, and here we should select this disk. You can see the selection from there. Insert key, you can put like this one and like this one. That's all, and you have hit enter to done. Now we want to select which RAID we want. So we can't use RAID 5 or RAID 10 because we have only two hard drive in this computer. So RAID 0 is the difference between RAID 0 and RAID 1. RAID 0, it can be, as you can see there, strip set, distributed space across disk for higher performance. It can take we can use the whole capacity of this drive as 2 terabyte, both of them, but with high performance, but with more risk to lose data if one of these drives fail. RAID 1, it's called a mirror for hard drives. So in this case, we can protect our data by replace the failed hard drive with a new one. In our case, let's hit RAID 0. We can hit enter, and here the confirmation message, we can hit C to continue. Here we can use what the capacity exactly we want to use it as a whole drive for the whole system. So we can use all available spaces like that and hit enter to complete. We don't need to use cache policy, just hit enter, and we can hit C to confirm, and there's a process there. And after that, a few seconds, there is a RAID virtual disk has been created like that. And now let's hit continue to boot. This boot will be choose by selecting F11 . Select boot menu, like that. Sure, we must select boot mode as BIOS, and we can select optical drive because we are putting DVD on the server. Just want to wait loading files. And now we should click to start, next, then next. It will be start the setup, and now we will find here they asked for media driver for the RAID controller. So here we have this system tools files for Dell PowerEdge T110 II. We just click to browse and hit the flash removable disk, and sure we have to hit to next and wait the load of driver. You can see here Dell PRC S100 to S300 controller store port. This is driver for the controller off. Okay, and now we can use with geographical user interface, and hit enter and accept, then accept, choose system Windows as we put here. Thank you.